All right, hello third grade. Okay, we're on 7-7 and we're doing the math message. So right now you don't need anything out except for your pointer finger. Okay, it says we're going to look at the three different holes, a circle, a rectangle, and a triangle. So this circle is a hole, this rectangle is a hole, and this triangle is a hole. Then it says, which shape shows a shaded part less than 1/2? And you know what? Already I see some keywords, so I'm going to underline them. Less than 1/2. So it means smaller than half. Okay, then the next one is which shape shows a shaded part greater than 1/2? So bigger than a half. And which shape shows a shaded part about 1/2? Keyword about. We know it's not going to be exact because it's just about, but it's close to 1/2. And then it says share your thinking with a partner. We're going to go ahead and cross that off unless you have a sibling next to you or a parent or a stuffed animal or a dog you want to share with. We can ignore that one for now. All right, we're going to start with our first one. It says which shape shows that shaded part less than 1/2? So looking at all of our holes, point to the one that has less than 1/2. Okay, good. Now, which shape shows a shaded part greater than 1/2? Which shaded in part shows more than a half? Point to that one. All right, and finally, which shape shows a shaded part about 1/2? So really close to half of our whole. Point into that one. Great. Explain it to someone near you if you can, what your reasoning is. All right. So for less than 1/2, we should have chose our rectangle because I can split it in half this way. Oh, and look at that. It definitely shows less than a half. I could also split my rectangle in half this way because I'd have two triangles that are the same. And oh, yep, that's a lot less than half. I could even split my triangle in half, or not my triangle, excuse me, my rectangle in half this way. Oh, and that just wouldn't make sense, and it doesn't even look like half. Okay, great. So that one is less than a half shaded in. Now, which one is greater than a half? That's going to be our circle. Ding, ding, ding. Because if I draw my halfway line, yes, this half is shaded in, but we were looking for greater, and there's definitely a lot more than half. Awesome. And then about 1/2, if I draw halfway down this triangle, look how close that is. So that is about 1/2. Okay, my last question for you on this one is, out of all of these shaded parts between the three holes, could we compare them to see how big they are to each other? Could we compare these fractions that's shaded in part? Could I compare this shaded in part to this shaded in part to this shaded in part? And our answer is no. They're not the same shape, so we can't tell what their sizes are compared to each other. All right, great job, you guys. Look for the next 7-7 video.